What is YouTube clips? YouTube clips are short snippets, 5 to 60 seconds long, that highlight specific moments from longer YouTube videos or live stream. How can you use YouTube clips? Well, viewers can create clips to share their favorite part of the video with their friends or even on the social media. Creators can use clips to promote specific moments from their content and potentially drive viewers to the full video. Clips loop on the original video watch page, so anyone watching the clip can easily access the full content. So, how can creators make use of clips? Well, creators can directly create YouTube shorts from clips. They can be a good source of material for generating short ideas, like identifying engaging moments, trimming and editing. Once you have a clip, you can use video editing tools outside of YouTube to trim it further and add elements like text, effects, or music to create a more dynamic shot. And the third thing you can do again is post your short, upload your edited clips as a YouTube short, ensuring it adheres to the short format requirements. So I guess you already know that it has to be vertical and less than 60 seconds. So let's go into it. Let me show you how you can create a clip. So let's go ahead and choose the video that we want to clip a portion of it. So I'm going to choose this video over here. I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, I'm going to come over to this three dots right here. Click on it. Now you can see clip right here. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to load into another page. So just wait a minute. Okay, so this is it right here. We're going to come over here. We can stretch this out up to 60 seconds. So we can now choose a portion of the video we want to cut. Now after we choose the portion of the video we want to cut, we're going to give it a title. After giving it a title, when we can now come down and click share clip. If we don't give it a title, the share button will be inactive. So right now we can go ahead and share it to any social media or copy the link and paste it or send it to a friend. Now once they click on it, they'll be able to see that portion of the video that we clipped. If they want to watch more of the video, there'll be a corner or something they can click on, which will take them to the full video. So let me come over here to my profile picture. I'm gonna come over there and click on it, because now I want to show you where the clip is, where if you want to locate it. So come over. Once you click on your profile picture, click on view your channel, then come over here on the left hand side. You see clips. You can see it right here. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, boom. So these are all the clips that I have done, even for my own videos. Look at it right here. So I've clipped some of these and I'm able to share it. But depending on your device, if you click on it, you might be able to make a shot out of the clip. So this is a portion that I clipped right here in this video. And if you want to make a shot out of this, you can basically do this on your phone, not on the PC. On the PC, you can only share the video to the social media or to your friend. But on your phone, you can then try creating a shot out of it. So this is it right here, the clip. It said watch the full clip. So you can see from here, this is another way to get views to your video by sharing the link, maybe a portion that was really engaging or interesting, to draw people more to your video. So once they click on the clip and they watch it, they can see an option to watch the full video, and this is really nice to get more views to your video. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Also join our community right here.